so these are the alfalfa sprouts, and you say they are sprouting. Hey,
They are sprouting. Yep.
oh wow.
Doing just what they're supposed to
How
do.
are the other levels?
Well, let's see what you do is you take the top level and you rotate it to the bottom so that there is a difference, so that each of the levels gets fresh water every other day. Okay, so this has got to go here. And this goes here now. And then this goes here. And we're going to add to this 2 cups of room temperature water. You have to empty the water out of the bottom, because if you pour more in there without emptying it out, you obviously overflow the bottom. Okay, there's 1 cup. We're going to have to get more water in that because that's not 2 cups left. Now, all this has had clean water in it, so it does not need to. I can turn it upside down right there.
That's great.
Unfortunately,
Oh wow. Oh wow.
and yeah, you can see there.
How many seeds are there here? It's like 10,000, right?
Well, there are 10,000 in the packet, but we didn't put 10,000 into this. I'm drying the bottom of this before I put it back.
Okay, and where is this going to go?
This is going to go in the sunroom. It's got to be in warm, bright area.
Okay. Of course, it's nighttime, but tomorrow the sun will come out, hopefully. It's dark in here now, but tomorrow, this is the lightest place in the house.